And a Punan Kitty. She wake.
Baby, I told you this, and I'm going to spoil you. I told you that. I told you I'm ready to spoil you. There's a place I want to take you to. They sell good dog meat there.
Really?
Why? I want to carry you there. It's a very nice place in Calabar. I told you I will spoil you. This money, why? This money, you have to enjoy this money. You have to enjoy that money. This money is for both of us. What's the war? You're looking so pretty, baby. See, enjoy yourself. Enjoy. Yeah, who's here?
Waiter.
That's the barman. Young man, come here. How are you? How are you? Please give me dog. No. Yes. Make it snappy, young man. Give me dog. My baby's here and you're stressing my life. What is wrong with you? Aww. Baby, you know anything for you? Oh.
This one. Who is this one? So good.
Oh, can I say that again, baby?
I'm afraid to spoil me.
You got the point, man.
Baby, we just started. Oh. I have more in the package for you. I have more in the buffer bag for you.
Oh. Wow.
You hear from me. You hear from me.
I was keeping you.
What is wrong with this young man? Young man, bring this dog here. What is this now? This young man like this.
What's keeping you?
Yeah, that's why I don't like coming to, you know. I told you I wanted to take you to countries, but you said no, you know. I want to take you to Tantalizer, you know.
Alright, you can.
I want to take you to... You say what thing?
What be this? What be this?
What that for which dog? Okay, I say dog meat. Dog meat. Chineke. That's what I do for
Jesus. I don't want trouble. I want yours the rest.